Yes, we will revise the words now. Okay, so what are the words in the lesson? If we go through, see the screen, all of you, and just we will revise the words so that you will not commit any mistake. Okay, fine. Yes. So the words are, I said you like, I will be conducting the dictation on page number 36, or other words also I may conduct. Okay. Okay, fine. So what are the words? Train. How to write train? Tr. एक ही मात्रा ना. Train. Train. Okay, train. Scooter. 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 On the whole lesson I am conducting. Okay, on the whole lesson. Metro. Ma. एक ही मात्रा. ट. र. ओ की मात्रा. Metro. Metro. All of you see and learn properly. Now you are going to write these words. Dharm. Dha. Dhar. Dhar. Ma. Dharm. Dharm. Chakra. Cha. Ka. Ra. Chakra. Pranam. How you will write pranam? Pranam. Pranam. Grah. 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 Rashtra. 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 Ra की मात्रा शत्र. Rashtra. Okay. Karma. 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 And still Surya. How you will write Surya? Sa की मात्रा. Surya. 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 Okay. Brahmar. 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 Yes. And then Vrat. How you will write Vrat? Vrat. Vrat. Okay. So Namr, Grah, Drum, Dress, Drama. So these are the words. Drama. Drama. Dress. Dress. How you write dress? See, all of you learn these all words. Okay. Namr. Namr. Chandrama. Still students are joining. 10 to 12 minutes will take in joining only first period. That's the reason again I am revising these words so that you can do well in the examination. Okay. Park. 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 Okay. And then again I would like to say you one more thing to remind you that we have like 2nd October we have Gandhi Jayanti, right? 2nd October we have Gandhi Jayanti. So we are having an what do we call, like essay writing competition on 1st. Okay, we are having essay writing competition on 1st October. So all of you 1st October, in the last period, you will have an essay writing competition. You should write on Mahatma Gandhi, the great personality. Okay. So, write an essay on the Bapuji Mahatma Gandhi. So, prepare well for that. Everyone need to participate, and everyone should do well in the competition, essay writing competition. The videos should be on. If your videos are not on, we will not consider that competition. Everyone should on your video, write that, and immediately you should send to my WhatsApp. Okay, fine, children. So prepare well for the competition. Without seeing, you should write. It's not like you're seeing and writing. That is not a competition. Fine, children. So that's what I want to remind you. Okay, children. So we will start the dictation. Almost many of you have joined. So we will start the dictation. Open your notebook. Okay. Yashasvi, you should get up early and eat early. You should not eat in the class. Fine. So all of you, please open your fresh page, write the heading, dictation, write today's date. Yes, write on the first one. Write date, write dictation heading, and write the first one. Right, children? Yes. First one. First one. Chakra. 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 Write without seeing, all of you. Close your textbook. Notebook also fresh page. Chakra. Chakra. Ayan, if you don't on your video, how can I know that you are seeing and writing, or what are you doing? Yashmant, are you writing? Rohin, on your video? Shrestha, on your video? Kavish, on your video? Ranav, David. David, turn on your video. Harshini, Trishul. Come on, all of you, turn on your video. Switch on your video. Fast. Rohin, Kavish, Harshini. GA marks I will cut if you don't turn on your video and write. Said you the first one, Chakra. Second one is Chandrama. First one was Chakra. Second one is Chandrama. 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 Third one is Surya. 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 Shrestha, Akshay, why did you raise the hand? Nothing. See, Chakra, Chandrama, Surya. Chakra, Chandrama, Surya. Again, after telling, also few children are not turning on their video. Chakra, Chandrama, Surya. Fourth one is Graha. 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 Fifth one is Rashtra. 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 Sixth one is Darpan. 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 Seventh one is train. 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 Eighth one is truck. Truck. Eighth one is truck. 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 Ninth one is rickshaw. Ninth one is rickshaw. Rickshaw. 10th one is scooter. 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 Those who have practiced only can do. Okay, will write. Those who did not practice will not write. I know. Rickshaw, 9th one, 10th one, scooter. 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 See, once again I am telling chakra. 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 क फिर र में पदेन का रूप. सेकेंड वन चंद्रमा. च के ऊपर बिंदी. द में पदेन का र और म में आ की मात्रा. चंद्रमा. थर्ड वन सूर्य. स में बड़ी की मात्रा. सू. फिर या के ऊपर रा का रेफ रूप. सूर्य. ग में पदेन रा. ह. ग्रह. फोर्थ वन ग्रह. र. फिफ्थ वन र में की मात्रा. र. श आधा और ट में पदेन रा. ट्र. 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 हाउ टू राइट ट्र? राष्ट्र. दर्पण. द प के ऊपर रेफ. अणा. दर्पण. सेवेंथ वन ट्रेन. ट में र. ट्र ए की मात्रा न. ट्रेन. एथ वन ट्रक. ट्रक. ट्र. ट्र क. ट में पदेन र. क. ट्रक. नाइन्थ वन र में छोटी की मात्रा री. क आधा श आ की मात्रा. रिक्शा. 10th वन स्कूटर. स आधा क में उ की मात्रा बड़ी ऊ. स्कूटर. स्कूटर. नाउ yeah, if you want anybody you can ask what you have missed. 3-4 times I have repeated. हाँ. Yes.
What is ninth one?
Stop one by one.
Ma'am,
Ninth
what
one.
is sixth one?
Wait. Ninth one is rickshaw.
What is sixth one?
Wait. Ninth one is
fourth one?
ninth one is
What is
rickshaw.
fourth one?
Sixth one is darpan. Sixth one is darpan. Sixth one is darpan.
Ma'am, can you please say what is fifth and sixth one?
Fifth one is
Fourth one?
Rashtra. Fifth is
Ma'am, what is ninth one?
Fifth is
Ma'am, fourth
Rashtra.
one, ma'am. Ma'am, fourth
Sixth is darpan. Sixth is darpan.
Ma'am, fourth one?
Fourth
Ma'am, I
one is
finished,
graha.
ma'am.
Graha. Those who have completed, be quiet. Those who have completed, be
Ma'am.
children. Fourth one is graha. Fifth one is rashtra. Sixth one is darpan. Fourth one is graha. Fifth one is rashtra. Sixth one is darpan. Graha, rashtra, darpan. Children, once again check. Chakra. First one is chakra. Check all of you. Second one, chandrama. Chandrama. Third one, surya. Surya. Fourth one, graha. Graha. Fifth one, rashtra. Rashtra. Sixth one, darpan. Darpan. Seventh one, train. Those who have completed, send me. Start sending me. Start sending me now itself. Start sending me. Send me to the WhatsApp. Darpan. Seventh one, train. Eighth one, truck. Truck. Ninth one, rickshaw. Rickshaw. 10th one, scooter. Scooter. Come on now, no doubts. Already repetition of 5 to 6 times completed. Everybody is completed? Yes? Everyone completed? Raise your hand who has completed. Raise your hand, Sahasra. Arham. Why are you not turning on your video? Very good, Shanmuka. Shrestha show. Yes, good. Advait show. Send me. Send me now itself. Send me. Fast.
My video just now, ma'am.
Okay. Again, send me now. You have completed. Send fast.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I send
Good,
you.
Akshay. Okay. Yes, you have to send now itself. You have to send. Good, Srikar. Now, shall we start reading of the
Ma'am,
words?
I send you already.
Good.
Ma'am, over.
Shriyan, any doubts? Shriyan, where are you, Shriyan?
Ma'am.
You have any doubt? Completed, Shriyan? Completed? Good, fine. So, good.
And what is tenth, ma'am? Ma'am, I have sent you, ma'am.
Good. David, have you written, David, dictation is done. David, Advait. Nehal joined lately. How many did you write? Nehal.
Ma'am, I have sent you.
Oh, okay, Shanmuka.
I wrote one chakra, chandrama, and train.
Why are you joining late then, Nehal? Already we have completed. When I was repeating fastly, at that time you have joined. Huh? Check this how. Two more you write down. Nehal, only two more you write down. I can't see you all. Two more you write down. You write down
Okay, ma'am.
scooter and rickshaw. Scooter
Scooter
and
and
rickshaw.
rickshaw.
Huh. 5 you send me, okay? I will double the marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Scooter and rickshaw. Who is that talking? Okay? Yes. Varsha Rani. वर्षा रानी आओ ना, थोड़ा जल बरसाओ ना, घर बाहर खिड़की दरवाजे पानी से नहलाओ ना, वर्षा रानी आओ ना. Tomorrow you will have reading test. Everybody, okay? How many are joining now? 31. Okay, everyone, the 30 students should participate and 30 students should read this. Okay? तितली भ्रमर फूल सारों पर, सूर्य चंद्रमा और तारों पर, अपना चक्र चलाओ ना, वर्षा रानी आओ ना. ट्रक भेज दूं, ट्रेन भेज दूं, किसमें तुम आओगी बोलो, चलो मेट्रो में ही आज तो अपनी शान दिखाओ ना, वर्षा रानी आओ ना. We will go a little bit slow. You all should read after my reading. Don't shout much, okay? I'm allowing you to unmute yourself. We will read together, okay? Varsha Rani.
Varsha Rani.
Very good. Read like Varsha Rani आओ ना,
Varsha Rani आओ ना,
थोड़ा जल बरसाओ ना.
थोड़ा जल बरसाओ ना.
Very good, very good. So we are ready. Saying one. Who is that? One time stop. घर बाहर खिड़की दरवाजे,
घर बाहर दरवाजे,
पानी से नहलाओ ना,
पानी से नहलाओ ना,
वर्षा रानी आओ ना,
वर्षा रानी आओ ना,
तितली भ्रमर फूल सारों पर,
तितली भ्रमर फूल सारों ना,
सूर्य चंद्रमा और तारों पर,
सूर्य चंद्रमा
अपना चक्र चलाओ ना, वर्षा रानी आओ ना,
वर्षा रानी आओ ना,
ट्रक भेज दूं, ट्रेन भेज दूं,
ट्रक भेज दूं, ट्रेन भेज दूं,
किसमें तुम आओगी बोलो,
मैं तुम आओ,
चलो मेट्रो में
चलो मेट्रो में
आज तो अपनी शान दिखाओ ना,
दिखाओ ना,
वर्षा रानी आओ ना,
रानी आओ ना,
very good, very good,
रानी आओ ना,
very good, very good, very good children you all are. So tomorrow we will have a reading test, okay? Fine, all of you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.